In a strategic move, the BJP central leadership has approved a revamped list of state office bearers for Karnataka, showcasing a diverse mix of young and seasoned leaders representing various regions, RSS loyalists and party veterans. The newly appointed office bearers reflect a balanced approach, accommodating several leaders aligned with the former Chief Minister BS Yediyurappa. While notable detractors such as Basanagouda, Patil, Yatnal and Somanna did not secure a spot on the list. The comprehensive roster includes 10 state vice presidents, 10 state secretaries, 4 general secretaries and chiefs for different morchas. Notable figures among the state vice presidents are Murugesh Nirani, Byrathi Basavaraj and Malavika Avinash, representing a spectrum of leadership from North Karnataka to ensure regional balance. Former Minister V. Sunil Kumar, known for his RSS allegiance, assumes the role of State General Secretary, joined by P. Rajiv, N.S. Nandish Reddy and Pritam Gowda. The 10 state secretaries comprise a blend of experienced and fresh faces, emphasizing the party's commitment to inclusivity. Morchas representing specific interest groups will be led by individuals such as A.S. Patil Nadahalli, Raita Morcha, Anil Thomas, Minority Morcha, and Dheeraj Muniraju, Yuva Morcha. The strategic appointments also consider leaders who faced setbacks in the recent assembly polls, demonstrating the party's resilience and inclusiveness. Notable additions include Byrathi Basavaraj and N. Mahesh, who made the switch from Congress, as well as fresh faces like Pritam Gowda and P. Rajiv. Malavika Avinash, the lone woman among the state vice presidents, brings diversity to the leadership team. The recent reshuffling follows the BJP High Command's earlier appointments of the state president and leader of the opposition, completing the party's restructuring efforts in Karnataka.